Alright, besides being a bus driver and taking care of sports dogs, because my wife used to be a breeder and competing with them, this weekend was the first time I washed the coach. And at 51 years old with autoimmune disease, I'll tell you something, I'm a bit beat. I hadn't felt like this since I've been racing on pit crews at 24 hours at Daytona or at the drag strip, testing and tuning parts from when we used to use National's machine shop in Langley for Mustang and Grand National parts. But anyways, I started on Saturday at 2 o'clock. I started late on the wash and wax. I preliminary did the wheels, and I was probably done around 5:45, 6 o'clock, I guess. And then continued on this morning at 10 and finished polishing the wheels and polished anything that was chrome. And then anything that was black got 303. The windows were fun. I actually had to use the ladder, of course, because I'm not tall. Then I went and did the interior. So here's what the interior looks like. I am thinking about taking out the clear bra and getting a new one. This is a beautiful coach. Hendrickson really took great care of it. Now, when I clean the interior, the slides are out, of course. But I did the floors, the carpet, I did every wood paneling on here. That killed me. And I did every hard surface, every glass surface. I didn't do a spring cleaning, but I got majority of the parts hit where it needed to be hit. But I hit everything. I don't want to make the video too long because I'm uploading to YouTube itself at the moment. But yeah, I hit everything and I'm beat. I'm probably going to go get a beer. Thank you for your time. Have a good night.